In Illinois, mandatory divorce mediation is a process that may be required by the court when couples are going through a divorce and they have disputes relating to the allocation of parental responsibilities and parenting time. The purpose of mediation is to facilitate a resolution of these disputes in a non-adversarial setting with the help of a neutral third party, the mediator. Here's what you need to know about mandatory divorce mediation in Illinois. When mediation is required. Courts in Illinois typically order mandatory divorce mediation for issues, once again, concerning the allocation of parental responsibilities, parenting time, and sometimes child support. Mediation may also be ordered if the parties are in dispute about other matters such as property division or spousal support, although this is less common. Selection of mediator. Parties may choose a mediator together, or the court may appoint one. Mediators used in court-ordered mediation should be qualified and often must meet certain training requirements. Process of mediation. During mediation, both parties meet with the mediator to discuss and try to resolve their disputes. The mediator does not make decisions for the parties, but helps facilitate discussion and guide the parties towards a mutually acceptable agreement. Confidentiality. Mediation sessions are confidential. This means statements made during mediation cannot be used as evidence in court if the mediation fails and the case goes to trial. Mediation outcome. If the parties reach an agreement on all issues, the mediator will draft a memorandum of understanding or a parenting plan that the parties will sign and which will be submitted to the court for approval. If mediation does not result in an agreement, the mediator will report to the court that mediation was unsuccessful without providing details on why it failed. Cost of mediation. The cost of mediation may be shared by both parties or paid by one party as agreed upon by the parties or ordered by the court. Some courts may provide mediation services at a reduced rate or for free depending on the financial circumstances of the parties involved. Legal representation. Parties have the right to be represented by an attorney during mediation, although attorneys do not typically participate directly in the mediation sessions because, again, they're trying to allow their clients or the parties to come to their own resolution. Mandatory divorce mediation is seen as a beneficial process in Illinois because it can lead to a more amicable resolution that are in the best interests of the children involved. It also has the potential to reduce the emotional and financial costs associated with litigated divorce proceedings. If you have questions or concerns about mediation in Illinois, call our office now.